make a flower vase from used bottle. Vase is a place to put decorative flower. The pressure of a vase of flowers can give a colorful color and a different atmosphere to the room of the house. Here are the steps to make a flower vase from used bottle. Materials needed are manila paper, used bottle, origami paper, and rope. Needed are tissue, scissors, eraser, pencil, cutter, and double-sided tape. Cut the bottle in half. The part is only the bottom of the bottle. And then clean the inside of the bottle. Make a pattern on the manila paper according to the size of the bottle to cover all part of the bottle. Give double-sided tape to the part of the bottle. And then glue it. Make the vase in the shape of a cone. Glue it using double-sided tape. Decorate the vase using origami paper. Take the rope using double-sided tape. Our vase ready to use. So, how to make a flower vase from used bottle? Hopefully this is useful. Apologies if there is a wrong word. See you, bye bye. Wassalamualaikum.